Hello, my name is Søren Skau. I'm a product specialist at Add-on Products, a company based in Denmark. I'd like to introduce you to our digital sign service, which is a digital sign that you can use in front of your meeting rooms. It's based on Exchange, so all reservations in the Exchange calendar will be displayed on the display. On the display, you are able to see, of course, what's going on. You can create an instant meeting if the room is available. You can extend your current meeting if there is spare time available at the end of your meeting. And you can, of course, end your meeting if it ends earlier, so you can free up the room. It is also possible to have a confirmation functionality, which means that within for example, 15 minutes before the meeting or after the meeting starts, within that time you have to confirm by tapping the screen that you are actually having your meeting. Which means if the time is out and you haven't confirmed it, the room will be free, which will help you utilize your meeting rooms. It is also possible to maintain the background, the graphics from a web page, so that you can maintain all your screens from one place. You can change the graphics, the backgrounds, the layouts, and you can have a focus point, selling a new product, whatever you want to present, put it on the screen, and it will come out on all the screens that you have selected. You can find more about our solutions on our website, which is addon.com. That's add-on.com.